A company that provides repair and maintenance services to the trucking industry uses modified mobile service vans. These vans are equipped with onboard oxyacetylene welding systems, which include welding torches, regulators, hoses, and cylinders of acetylene and oxygen. Gas-powered compressors and generators are also on board. When the acetylene cylinder in a worker's van reached empty, he replaced it with a full cylinder at a local gas supplier. The worker secured the cylinder to a rack inside the vehicle and connected it to the oxyacetylene system. That same day, he used the oxyacetylene system to complete a job. Once he finished the job, the worker recalls shutting off the gas on both cylinders and hanging the hoses. He did not remove the regulators or install the safety caps on each cylinder, as this was not the usual practice. He then drove home and parked the vehicle in a shared-use parking lot near his residence. He locked the vehicle using the remote key fob. The next morning, the worker walked back to the service van to start work for the day. When he was about 10 to 12 meters away, the worker pressed the remote key fob to unlock the doors. The vehicle suddenly exploded and was completely destroyed. The explosion damaged nearby vehicles and businesses. Pieces were found up to 70 meters from the van. Fortunately, no one was killed or injured in this incident. For an explosion like this to occur, 3 components must be present: fuel, oxygen, and an ignition source. The investigation determined that the van contained oxygen and multiple fuel sources in its cargo area, including compressed acetylene and gasoline. Investigators concluded that when the vehicle was parked overnight, flammable gas leaked and built up inside the vehicle. 2 of the components needed to create an explosion were now present. All that was needed was an ignition source. When the worker returned the next morning and unlocked the vehicle remotely, a spark was created within the vehicle's electrical system. All 3 components were now present: fuel, oxygen, and an ignition source. Following the explosion, the regulator gauges were still attached to the acetylene and oxygen cylinders. The unused safety caps were found lying nearby. Investigators determined that when the van was sealed shut, the vehicle had very little ventilation. This meant that the gases would have been unable to dissipate into the air outside the vehicle. Storing and transporting flammable gases within vehicles may be hazardous. Employers and workers must take steps to reduce the risk. Disconnect hoses and regulators before transporting or storing cylinders, unless they are integrated with safety caps. Store cylinders with their safety caps properly attached to prevent damage to the cylinder valves. This reduces the risk of leaks. Use vehicles capable of safely storing and transporting flammable gases. Ensure vehicles are properly ventilated. Retrofitted vehicles may need additional ventilation installed. And employers must have safe work procedures for the use, storage, and transportation of hazardous substances. Inform, instruct, train, and supervise their workers, and provide a healthy and safe work environment.